this time for Scouts, the Kirkland Scout Group goes winter camping in 2023.
Cub Scouters today!
No!
Pain. Is there a second jam one?
Here.
Strawberries are best.
I'm fighting for all those raspberries that are fine.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, the first one.
First one. Oh, that's a good speed. Not quite. Oh, that's fun. Oh, that's great. Oh man, oh very nice. So you guys made, oh that's a nice fort.
Yeah, 3 people made this.
Nice.
And no, it's not.
Keep going for those like bigger pieces, right?
Yeah.
Laughing on the front page, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? You gotta smile at the light of this whole town. I haven't seen it in a while.
I don't know why, but I never cry with one.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know why. With my
Like my
life.
glasses,
A girl like that, she wears short skirts, I wear sneakers. She's shooting captain and I'm on the bleachers, screaming about the
Get closer, Chris. Make sure you get it. Get closer. Bring your face right down there.
Who's gonna be your
That's
hair?
it.
Slavery. Lions and dancing.
Imagine you make a phone call and then. Wait, we're doing a film. Wait.
It's okay.
No one's eating, no one's quiet. Tonight for dinner is tacos, tomato tortillas. So the way it will work is, like usually all line up and such, you'll get your tortilla. We have mayonnaise and salsa available. We'll have meat, cheese, vegetables. And then you'll run over here to get a juice box, no chocolate milk for dinner. And also we have napkins and stuff.
No. Okay, this is mine. Yes, please.
Horrible. I will have some mayo. Want cheese?
Mine.
I'll hand out the peppers.
Hey, the bread. I want all of this.
Yeah, how many ones?
One lettuce?
Would you like some peppers?
What about onions? You didn't want onions? There's onions.
Go ahead.
Wow. Nice, Robbie. Oh, almost. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is why you get concussions.
Oh.
Oh, that was fun.
Oh, that was fun! Chris, I was thinking!
We just missed it. Look at Robbie. Look at Robbie.
What, Robbie? What happened?
It's one on time!
This Twitter thing was
Yeah, for sure. Oh, someone fell off. Oh, you made it this time, Robbie.
we lost 2 now.
Oh. Yeah, Robbie.
We don't want Chris to carry it up for us!
Oh, yeah. Oh, they're all together this time. Yeah. Something's going on. Oh, yeah. Someone fell off.
I'm glad you let go. I'm glad you let go.
Okay, Robbie, how many do we have?
30.
Are we 30 people?
We need for scouters. 12.
Oh, very good.
12 people. We need for scouters. 24.
12 plus 12, that's 30.
No, 12 plus 12 is 24.
Oh my God, you guys are good.
And plus 6. Okay, so 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not doing it's 30. It's 30.
What do you you wanted to shake the popcorn? What, are you still shaking the popcorn?
Is all of them burned?
All of them? What are you talking about? Really?
I burnt it.
Oh,
Wait, I want to see.
oh my God, I saw you shaking. How come they burned?
Crazy.
You guys are doing it wrong.
Oh, really?
Look, I wish I had a good example. Oh wait, here's one. Yep.
That was good. I know.
Who have you been helping, Robbie? Please tell me. Oh, okay. Nice.
Hey, there's a piece of art.
Oh yes.
It's a eclectic, but it's art.
Look at those gumdrops. Robbie, those are gumdrops though.
I know. Those are the sweet ones.
What are these little lights?
No.
Oh, these little guys. That's great.
Oh, stupid thing.
Specific ones. Look at that.
I think we need gumballs and a vomit. Should I put
Oh, look at the roof over here.
Should I put the gumballs in
Unicorn vomit.
Okay, could I get
We know what we're
icing?
doing. We doesn't need it. We strategize.
This person did that. It's good anyway. Just make it look good. It's gonna taste like this guy's only one leg. It's mine.
I'm gonna punch it.
No, you're gonna break everything else. Okay. Stop. No.
Because you're gonna crush everyone else's.
You should tell them to at least lift up their houses.
You're gonna move the table, everyone's gonna fall.
We're gonna pull it apart.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Now can we eat it?
Yeah.
That's a big cookie.
I haven't had a good breakfast.
Is there a place that no one put their
God,
finger
it's
in?
great. Oh yeah. Where are you sleeping, Robbie? Where'd you go? Sleeping. How did you manage that? Oh, get out. Really? So you got the top. Okay, so be careful, bud, okay? Slide. It's a slidey door. Oh, nice.
So I had like 2 tarps. First one was like here.
Yeah.
The door. We had like 2 tarps. The first one was here. This is like the middle point.
Yeah.
So then we tied it one like around the tree. And we had another tarp going all the way down. They're both. One of them I think was in half. The other one was like full
Yeah.
out. And it goes all the way down. And like, I woke up and my mat was like melted to the ground.
I was sleeping on this part, so I was leaning this way, and I was like off the mat.
Did you guys? So you guys had enough things between your body and the snow, and did it warm up? You didn't have? Do you have any heat source at all?
No.
Okay, very cool.
I did it, and then these 3 left eventually.
Yeah.
I finished
sweating
the
and I
night
was
by
like,
myself.
I started sweating, and I was like, I'm not doing this sweating, so I'm gonna freeze.
All right. All right. So this is Scouts. The other one was Vents. Scouts. Did you build this too, Darius?
No.
Okay. So this is just Scouts. Who built this, Holly?
Logan Armstrong, James McCall, and
Right. Right. So you got a screen here to keep the wind away, and you got a little shelter.
Inside there's like a little curve
Yeah, nice.
there. So
You could put a tarp on that as well. All right. Who built this one?
me,
Brigitte, you built this too.
Nathan, and
Anthony.
yeah, Anthony.
Very nice.
If you go in, that's the campfire place. That's a rock.
Oh, nice.
And then to warm up, that's like
Go in there, guys. I want to see how much room there is.
damn nice place.
Where's your fort, Veer? Oh,
I'm the only one left because Logan and
Nice.
James were with me.
good. Yeah, you can put tarps here too. Sleep here. Oh yeah, they're putting their tarps away.
That's it for Scouts for this week. If you like our scouting videos, just check out our scouting playlist. And if you want to support us, just hit that like button and subscribe.